Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so it's been a while. I didn't do any update, honestly, because things didn't really move on, right? So I am on the weekly, and we can see that we did a 1-2. I do believe now, honestly, that this it could be just an A, B, C for this third wave, and the fourth wave still to come. This is why we can reach lower prices, and people talk about middle 70s K or higher 60Ks. This is pretty much the scenario. Now, talking about the super cycle, well, this could be also a 5-way up. Ratio not perfect, but this could have been a 1-2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And then after that, we are going to correct that. It's going to be an A, a B, and a C. And then you can see that, lower 60s could be happening. But in this scenario, it could be that we're making maybe a low wave 2, and that would be very bullish, and then after we would skyrocket. So those are the scenarios that I'm looking forward. Let me go now. I think it was this one. Okay, so let me go back on Bitcoin. I am looking at this scenario now. We are into resistance. What is this resistance? Actually, I just did the Fib retracement from this top movement to the bottom. You can see that we did hit some resistance here. Now this morning we are going higher, and yeah, looking, we got rejected at this second resistance level. Now let me zoom in a little bit more. So now what can I do? I can actually remove the 0.618 and add the 0.886. This is going to be a little bit sketchy. If we go higher than 94,055, then it starts to be unlikely that this scenario we're going to work out. So what scenario am I talking about? Well, is the possibility that this was the top of our bigger fourth wave, and this is the 1, this is the 2, and then we're going to have a 3, a 4, and a 5. And this is how we can go to the higher 70s K. It would pretty much plan out like that. Also, let me remind here. So this is the bottom of the third wave. This is the fourth. And once again, where is it? I think it was even higher. Let me double check here. Was it this one? Yeah, okay, so I should put this in blue for the blue count. And you can see that I'm going to add the other level now, the 0.32. So the 0.32 was 92,879, 880, and this is the area, right? And we're kind of struggling to really pass by that one. We do break shortly, and then we get under, right? So this is the scenario now. This fourth wave could be finished, or maybe not. If it was here, here was a little bit premature. We did add 3 waves, but I did count this more as a wave A. This is a wave B, question mark. And this is the C now. The 1-to-1 ratio was... Yeah, still the theory is like we should go a little bit higher, right? 98,812 would be the best. I don't know what's happening outside. Someone horning. So ideally, this is what we would do. And also, if I do a zoom in, I would say if this was the bottom of the wave 2 or the wave B, this was a 1, 2, and this is the third. this is the fourth. I will still at least look for another higher high near 96,000. That would be ideal. But you know, a lot of time things in life are not perfect. So in a case this is already indeed the C wave, this is what I'm looking now that could be forming. Well, once again, the first sign that this is going to start to happening is if we lose the MA 55 levels, then that would be a first sign that maybe we're about to actually we started to work on a third wave. And clearly if we get below 89,240, which was this potential wave 1, then it would be a second confirmation that the third wave is ongoing. And we will see if the movement is really bullish, not bullish, but impulsive to the downside, like a third wave should be, then this is going to be also a third indication. And after that, if I see price reversal, I'm going to do estimation of a target for this third wave. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Just gonna go and check on the RSIs, so you can see that maybe RSIs, it's hinting that maybe we did reach maybe the top already, or near the top once again, because we can go a little bit higher. Now the thing is, if the price go higher but the RSI stays lower, this is going to be also another additional sign or a hint that this could be a bearish divergence forming. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and yeah, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And for sure, I don't do videos as much because Bitcoin, it's really stuck and struggling to bust this level here, and it's being trapped also in this area. So there isn't much to say. We're going on the side and it's doing that. Are we going to get rejected and do that for a while? It could be possible. Yeah, sure. So this is why it's boring people out from crypto. And then when people, they don't think about crypto anymore, well, it's going to do what usually Bitcoin does, skyrocket. I leave everybody on the ground. All right. Have a good day. Bye.